Does your heart stop for an instant when you sneeze? You sneeze and your body reacts. Your eyes squeeze closed and your heart seems to jump. Did your heart just stop? Was it a mini heart attack? Although it may seem that your heart takes a break during a sneeze, but this is actually not the case. According to doctors, your heart doesn't exactly stop. When you first inhale before sneezing, the pressure in your chest increases. Then, as you exhale forcefully during the sneeze, the pressure drops. This will decrease the blood flow back to the heart, which can affect the heart rate. The heart compensates for this by changing its regular heartbeat momentarily to adjust. However, the electrical activity of the heart does not stop during the sneeze. However, when this change happens, the heart could momentarily stop. However, the electrical activity in the heart marches on and you remain very much alive throughout your sneeze. It seems like a mini heart attack which we all can survive. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be back with more such interesting